guys, check this out. I'm gonna be taking pictures and videos on these trees that actually change the colors. If you notice it, I'm gonna take my drone. I'm just stepping out of my work for lunch, so I'm trying to find a parking lot here. I'm here in the park. It's on Don Valley Parkway. So there's a lot of trees here. The color changes because we are winter soon, autumn, fall. So you'll see the really nice color trees right up here. So before it disappear, I'm gonna be taking my drone up here and see above and see how nice the view up the top. All right, so I'm trying to find a parking lot here. I'll park it right here. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon. To this video guys, I'm going to be taking my drone up to these trees. It's autumn, it's fall here now. It's getting colder. The trees leaves are changing colors to yellow. Maybe by next month will probably disappear, but the tree's still alive. It's just the leaves died and they fall. So anyways, I'll get my drone. I'm gonna set this up and hopefully we get a nice view up there. And let's see.
Okay, so let's just pretend to turn this drone on. Okay, like this. And my controller. And my iPhone. Okay, so find my DJI apps. Set that on. So we can see it. That's where I go. I'm going to find it right here. Actually, that's the first I'm going to put this landing here.
Alright guys, so right now I'm flying my drone. You'll probably see it once I load this up and edit. Beautiful view right here guys. So I don't know if you can see. Anyways, I'm gonna get closer to the tree. Get closer to the tree. I've actually adjusted the altitude and the distance, because one time I had it unlimited, where it means there was no setting set up on my distance, and it went too far and I almost lost the drone because the battery was actually dying. So it's trying to get this lower. I'm trying to close to that tree. So there's actually trees right there right now. See if you can see the color there right now. Check this color. Go right to the tree. All right, get close up. I'm gonna go around, go to my right. Show how beautiful that. So I'm trying to go up if I can. I'm gonna go up, straight from the top. Yeah, those are made DVP, major highway here near Toronto. So let's see how far I can go. I have the distance set up, so I think I've got 3 kilometers and my altitude about 3,000 feet. So that is Don Valley Parkway. Downtown Toronto is way ahead. You can actually see hold on, you can actually see the CN Tower. If you can see straight ahead, that's actually CN Tower. So that's the other side of the DVP. I think that's the south side, and I'm on the north side of the highway. And there's a lot of buildings there. There it is. See, I'm gonna go toward those trees again. Look how beautiful the trees are. Let's see, I'm gonna get close up there. So again guys, I'm on my actually lunch. I work near another like 5 minutes from this park, so I figured out, it's so nice today. before the tree leaves are falling, I'll take advantage of taking the shots, pictures, and videos. Let's see if I can get closer to this tree. I've got it on, but it slow mode. It's a C mode. Yeah, but I still have a 54% battery. Let's see. Let's see, look down. Here it is. Look at that. So those are apartment buildings are on my right, and this is like a valley, and this actually is just a big park, Satan Park. Yeah, a lot of people come down in this area. They have a picnic, and I believe there's a bridge. I'm gonna look up. There's a bridge up there on the left. I don't know if I want to get that far. I don't know how far that is, but I don't want to take a chance. I only got like 51% my battery. Here's got that. So those are apartment building. I believe they're on the right. Yeah, those are apartment building. Yeah, that's our apartment building. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the right. See. Okay, I'm gonna try to go back. There we go. I'm still learning on this drone, really. Yeah, there's a few tricks here that I have to learn behind this tree. I guess I'm right over here, right there. There's my car. All right, let's just go and take this down. All right, so let's just a quick look at the top again, and check the view. Trees turn yellow. I'm trying to go really close because it's not far from me, this drone. Real close. All right, there we go. There's a lot of people actually, when the weather's nice, they come down this valley. They walk down where all the trees are. Alright, so let's see. Okay, let's see if I can get that really close. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Right close to that trees. If you can get really close to the branch. Now I don't know how far am I from those branches are. I don't want to crush into it and I can't find it. Look at that. Alright, so let's go. I'm going to take this drone now because I'm on 30% battery. So I'm going to take this home. I'm going to do it manually because I still All right, guys. The back. Okay, so I was scared because battery was dying. And the wind was blowing hard. The wind was blowing hard. Okay, so finally, it was a good test too for me, learning how to use the drone, and finally landed safely. I was scared because it was warning me that the battery is low, and I didn't know how far the drone was where I'm at, so I was kind of changed my my speed to sports mode to get it faster. So here it is, nice and safe. So anyway, guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you enjoy my video. And again, I want to do more and more of this every week. And yeah, it's getting cold. Winter's coming up, so maybe next month you might hopefully it'll snow, and I'll take more video by then. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys, and peace. Don't forget to subscribe, likes, and make a comment below. Bye bye. So for now.